You ever won that one? All right, yeah, we know that. Have you ever even competed for one of these? Hold on, Have you ever been in the main event of WrestleMania before? Because I'm pretty sure I done did all of that. I'm the tribal chief around here. Yeah, you see me, the tribal chief. That's right. He's nervous, you know what I'm saying? He's a little nervous. It's his first time, all right? Let's be honest here. You have no clue what you're doing with that briefcase right now. I want you to start looking around. I want you to analyze this situation here, you understand? Your daddy's not here anymore. Because if he keeps messing up, the tribal chief is gonna be his daddy. You want Seth Rollins money or tribal chief money? You see, no, the tribal chief won't do that, but the wise man will.